Hello guys, what we're gonna do, we're gonna replace this capacitor. I got two of them today, and it should be a quick fix. I'm just gonna show you how I do it. So first I'm gonna remove this. There's only two legs here on this side. Let's put some flux in. And let's remove the old solder. There you go. One leg is good. And do the second leg. Okay, I think it's good. Let's just try to remove it. Oh no. Okay, let me put some direct heat. I'll remove it this way. It just gets stuck on one leg, I think, on this one. Okay, that's out. I'll pick it up after. Now I'm just gonna clean it a little bit better here on this side with my tweak. There we go. I think it's okay. Now I'm going to put the new capacitor. You want to make sure that the plus is on this side, and then the minus is on the other side. You see this plus? So the other side is the minus. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to put a little bit of flux. I still have left little flux, but I like to put it just a little bit more. And I'm going to finish solder this right here. One and two. Yeah, that's awesome. And that's how you fix a coffee machine controller. This is from Elektra. Thank you for watching, guys. If you have any questions, you can comment, like, and subscribe. New capacitor. Take care.